control. Every smile feels like a lie, every breath a muted cry. The world outside won't ever see the war that's raging inside of me. Hear the sounds of agony, silent screams, they're haunting me. Chains of fear won't let me go, drowning deep where no one knows. Broken mirrors on the floor, reflections I don't know anymore. Bleeding dreams, they fade away. Night devours another day. Hands are trembling, heartbeat slow. Eyes are heavy, voices grow. Calling out, but there's no reply, only echoes in the sky. Hear the sounds of agony, silent screams, they're haunting me. Chains of fear won't let me go, drowning deep where no one knows. Ashes fall where fire burned, lessons lost, never learned. Fading light in empty halls, a shadow answers when darkness calls.